Hello, my name is Angie Carolina Peña Orozco. I am 20 years old and I live in Colombia. I study occupation years and setting out UNAT University. I also work as a nursing assistant in a skin medical center. In my free time, I like listening to music, out movies, and spending time on my son. Every day I wake up early and prepare breakfast. Then I take my son to school. After that, I go to work at the medical center. In the afternoon, I come back home and help my son with his homework, and at night I cook dinner and watch TV show before going to bed. With my family, I usually visit my grandmother house on weekends. We also like going to the park 2 years to play and relax. That's all of me. Thank you for watching.